What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's about 9:30. Ben was up at about 5:30. I just got done uploading yesterday's vlog. I just been watching the news and I heard about that big earthquake that happened in Japan. Pretty crazy stuff. 8.9, biggest earthquake they've had in the last 140 years. Big tsunamis, then big tidal waves and stuff are coming through. I'm getting ready to hit Hawaii and all that kind of stuff. Pretty nuts. I'm happy where we live at. We don't have to deal with that kind of stuff. Just keep them in your thoughts, because it's a big deal. It's weird because our babysitter, I got the day off today. Mom's at work. I'm taking care of Ben today because we don't have anybody to watch him. And our babysitter is getting ready to go to Hawaii starting today. So I don't know how that's going to work out, because they're supposed to be getting tidal waves and all that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, I don't know. It's crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Hey, Ben. Say hello to everyone. There you go. You got your hello. Hey! Don't you be starting with my stuff now. You be good. Look at that little smirk he gives. Oh, shit. See, it's Daddy and me today, huh, Ben? Get off there. Quit. Quit. Come on. You be good. I got some crazy stuff to show you guys. This is what we woke up to this morning. The snow is so heavy and stuff, it actually stuck to the fence out there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But the fence is like a white wall now. It's really weird. Hope you guys can see that out there. It's really strange. Yeah, look, the snow is really, really heavy. It's on that bush. It looks kind of cool. You guys can see that. It's pretty neat. Alright, man, what do you want? What do you want? You ain't gonna get me. 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 Ah ha ha, you can't find me. Benjamin! Where you at? Benjamin! He's not coming.
And it came out just fine, without a doctor, without any medication, without any antiseptic, just common sense in helping women through the pain of labor, helping them be in physiologic positions for birth. That's basically all.
Where's the dog? Oh, here.
Do this.
Far later, and took a lot of this knowledge from.
Come on, wait a minute.
Changed things and gave medicine its power. Actually, there was a real fight between midwives and
That Ben. Here. What are we gonna do next? Let's do the shoes. You wanna do the green shoes? Let's do the fishies.
Old Ben's having a good time, huh?
Let's do this. Let's do this. You like the kitty. Where's the kitty? Okay, let's do the kitty. You ready? Let's do the kitty. Here, he's trying to do it. Let's do the doggy. Let's do the doggy. Where's the doggy? Is there a doggy here? There's a dinosaur, and there's a doggy. There's a basketball. Let's do the basketball. That was a quick one. How about, let's see here. You're so awful snoring. Come on here, you're snoring here. Don't be surprised he wakes you up.
He will wake up too.
Here, buddy. To your horns. Come here, Ben. That's Ben.
Look at him. He's like, I want to lay down too. Hey Ben, are you taking a nap?
You taking a nap?
He's like, I'm not taking a nap.
Come here. You want to see Nana? Nana lay down with